let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack and a 7/8 black, don't clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big tooth and a fly big Benz. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you put your middle finger out the window, getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blunt, let me roll it. You get the boats out to the hoes that keep your dough fat.
Or you might get what we call a rat pack. I give a job out of scandalous trick. Let me hit it one time. The trick that's it, but don't trip. Gives my dough to no foe. That's how it is. I got no love for ya.
He was once a thug from around the way.
And jealous motherfuckers can't see that it's the fame they call. These stupid bitches pass the pussy free. So tell me why you sweat a motherfucker like me, a young nigga tryna hustle up some G's. You pussy ass player hating hoes, speaking down on niggas, jumping around at the shows. And you the first motherfucker to jump to the trunk when it's time for fun. Little trick ass
Dump on fools with a quickness, and they got no cure for the sickness. I get paid for the way that I kick this, like a G-star, an OG star. A real player named Easy, and I live my life straight crazy. Don't need no punk fools paying me, and broke groupies and hoochies don't faze me. I take 2 steps back and release myself to put platinum and gold on a record shelf. I don't brag, but I tell it like it straight up is. Before you do a record, partner, handle your business.
And tell me what does it take to be a G? I started with a code ounce of bounce to a key. You gotta watch your backstage strap, be alert. Started as a young motherfucker doing dirt, and now I'm in the rap game like the crack game. I got enemies, can't pretend to see my friends are not my enemies. And even